Stop scrolling. If you're constantly distracted, unmotivated, or just not okay, this is your wake-up call. Because if you don't take back control of your brain now, someone else will. Step 1. Reclaim your attention. It's not just focus, it's currency. Every scroll, every swipe, every click, it's a transaction. You're paying in peace, clarity, and time. So ask yourself, who's getting rich off your distraction? Not you. Start treating your attention like money. Spend it where it grows, not where it vanishes. Read deeply. Think slowly. Bored? Good. Boredom is the womb of creativity. Step 2. Break the illusion. You are not your thoughts. Not every urge is a command. We live in a storm of noise, and most people can't tell the difference between a reaction and reality. So here's the skill. Watch your mind. Thought appears, let it pass. Urge to scroll? Don't touch it. Emotion flares up, observe it like a cloud. That space between feeling and action, that's your freedom. Stretch it, guard it, own it. Because the bigger that space, the more unstoppable you become. Step 3, play the long game. Every habit is a vote for the future version of you. So ask yourself, what are you building? Discipline or dopamine addiction? Live for structure, not stimulation. Because a mind without direction becomes a slave to comfort. But here's the truth most people will never hear. Discomfort is your edge. Silence over noise. Study over scrolling. Action over anxiety. Most people drift, confusing chaos for freedom. But those who control their brain, they don't just survive, they shape their life. They don't exist, they live.